Hi, family, friends, and people around the world. Philly Fries here. Okay, how are you doing, family, friends, and people around the world? Hope you enjoy your day, your night. It's beautiful outside. It's hot. Hope you keep it cool down and enjoy the swimming pool, the beach, or whatever you outside. Have food, drinks, and then I will open the door, my room. I'm gonna open my fridge. I'm gonna check what's the food inside there. I will take it out and cook it. Okay, I open my fridge already, and what inside in there. Okay, I will take this bowl. This bowl here, it's got mushroom, different kind of mushrooms, and I put here. Okay, when I go in the kitchen, I will show you what I'm cooking. Okay, enjoy.